Good morning, class. So today we will discuss solving system of linear equation in two variable. So we have different ways on how to solve this. So first, by graphing. Okay, second, pwede rin natin gamitin ang elimination method or by substitution. So now, let's start with, graphing. Let's have an example. Solve the system x minus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. So, igagraph po natin muna yung x minus y is equal to 4. So, for us to graph this, so we have to get 2 points. Okay? We will now use the intercept of the line. So, we just let x be equal to 0. So, kung gagawin natin na ang x ay 0, okay, isosolve natin ang y. So, tingnan na lang po natin kung 0 na to, so wala na yan, anong matitira? So, we have there negative y is equal to 4. So, we have there negative y is equal to 4. So, gagawin lang natin na positive yung negative y. So, we just multiply that by negative 1, both sides. So, negative 1 times negative y is positive y. And then, we have here negative 4. So, we have the ordered pair 0, negative 4. And then, to get the second ordered pair, so we have to let y be equal to 0. So, palitan natin yung y ng 0. Okay? Kung 0 na to, anong matitira? So, we have there x is equal to 4. So, we have there x is equal to 4. Ang second ordered pair natin is 4, 0. So, laging nauuna yung x. Yung value ng, so lagi nauna yung x, sunod yung value ng y. And then, let's have now the second equation. So, you have there 3x minus y is equal to 2. So, palitan natin yung x. So, we let x be equal to 0. So, kung ang x ay 0, okay, 3 times 0 ay 0. Okay? So, takloban na natin. Ang matitira lang, negative y is equal to 2. So, you have there negative y is equal to 2. And then, multiplying both sides by negative 1. Okay? So, you have there y is equal to negative 2. Ang second ordered pair natin, x is 0, y is negative 2. Now, second ordered pair. Okay? Palitan natin. Okay? We let y be equal to 0. Okay? So, yung y, palitan natin ng 0. So, anong matitira? So, you have there 3x is equal to 2. Okay? So, you have there 3x is equal to 2. So, dividing both sides by 3. So, we have there, okay, cancel to. You have there x is equal to 2 over 3. And then, so we have the second ordered pair as 0 and, so you have there 2 over 3, and you have there 0 as the value of y. So, let us now graph. Okay, now, since na-solve na natin, okay, so we have 2 points of that line. Okay, ipa-plot na natin yung points. So, you have there, okay, 0, negative 4. So, you have from 0, and then negative 4 ang y. So, bababa ka po ng 4. So, you have here this point. And then, you have the second ordered pair as 4, 0. So, you have there, from the origin, move 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right. And then, okay, hindi ka natataas kasi 0 yung y. So, you have this point. Then, connecting the points, okay, we have this line. We will connect that point. So, you have this line. Okay, so this is the equation of that line is x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, next, how about this equation? 3x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, plot natin yung 0, negative 2. So, you have there x is 0, y is negative 2. So, we have there negative 2. And then, okay, 2/3 and 0. Okay, so you have, if we have here 1, okay, divide natin to sa tatlo. So you have here this point. Okay, ito yung 2/3 natin. Okay, then connecting this point. Okay. So we will form a line connecting these 2 points. So you have this graph. Okay. So the equation of this line is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Okay. So yung 2 line natin, mag-i-intersect siya at point -1, -5. Okay? Hindi lang masyadong maganda yung pagkakadraw ko ng line, but this line, these 2 lines, okay, will intersect at this point. So that is -1, -5. So this is the point of intersection of this 2 line. So ang solutions natin, okay, is the point of intersection, which is -1, -5. So, x is -1, y is -5. Okay. Kapag ang graph natin is, okay, nag-intersect siya, okay, we have this point of intersection. So, meron tayong isang solution. So, what is that solution? That is the point of intersection of this line. Pero kapag ang graph natin is like this one, so, okay, a parallel line, okay, so we don't have a solution. So, we have no solution for this. Okay? Now, kapag ang graph naman natin is like this one, nag-overlap siya, yung 2 line nag-overlap, so we have infinite solution. So, we have infinite solution. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng point na nandito ay solutions natin. So, madami. Okay, paano naman kapag gagamitin natin ng elimination method? So, same given yung gagamitin natin. Okay? So, we have x minus y as equation 1 and 3x minus y equal to 2 is equation 2. So, magde-decide ka lang kung anong gusto mong i-eliminate. Kung gusto mo ba ay x o kaya ay y. Okay? Kapag i-eliminate natin, halimbawa yung y, pareha silang negative. Okay? Gagawin mong ang isa ay positive. Okay? So, paano natin ito magagawang positive? We can multiply both sides by -1. Okay? So, pag minultiply natin to by -1, so negative x, x times -1 is negative x. And then -1 times -y is positive y. It is equal to -1 times 4 is -4. So, ito na yung equation natin kapag minultiply natin by -1. And then, we have the second equation. So, copy lang natin. You have there 3x minus y is equal to 2. Okay? And then, we can now add this. So, pag in-add natin tong dalawang equation na to, okay, positive y plus negative y, so that's equivalent to 0. So, eliminated to. Okay? Then, negative 1x, okay, automatic na meron ditong 1. So, plus 3x, so negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2. And then, you just copy x. It is equal to, okay, negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. And then, para matira lang yung x, so we will divide both sides. Okay? We will divide both sides by 2. Okay? Cancelled yung 2. Ang matitira lang ay x. So, that is negative 2 divide 2 is negative 1. Now, paano naman natin makukuha ang value ng y? Okay? So, pumili ka dun sa dalawang equation. Okay? So, halimbawa, ang kinuha mo ay yung equation 1 na x. Okay, from equation 1, that is x minus y is equal to 4. So, papalitan natin yung x ng negative 1. So, palitan natin. So, you have there negative 1 ang x. Copy minus y is equal to 4. Then, solve for y. So, you have there negative y is equal to 4. By transposition method, okay, yung negative 1 magiging positive 1. And then, okay, 4 plus 1 is 5. And then negative y, dividing both sides by negative 1. So, y would be negative 5. So, ang ating solution, okay, yung x natin na nakuha kanina is negative 1, which is here, eto po yun. And then, ang y natin is negative 5. So, we have this solution. Okay, second example. Solve the system. Okay, we have equation 1 as 2x plus y equal 5 and x minus 3y is equal to negative 8. Okay, let's decide kung ano ang gusto natin i-eliminate. Okay, is it x or y? So, kung ako, okay, so, x ang i-eliminate ko. So, kung ito ay 2, kailangan gawin ko lang to na negative 2. So, to make this negative 2x, okay, I will multiply this equation by negative 2. So, both side, i-multiply natin by negative 2. So, now, anong gagawin natin doon sa equation 1? So, copy lang natin. So, you have there 2x plus y is equal to 5. And then, this one, multiply lahat natin by negative 2. So, negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Okay? Okay, and then negative 2 times negative 3y is positive 6y. And then negative 2 times negative 8 is 16. So, we have here equal to 16. So, ito na yung ating second equation. And then, i-add natin yung first and second equation. So, eliminated yung x. Okay, yung 2x plus negative 2x is 0. So, y, okay, y plus 6y is 7y. And then, 5 plus 16 is 21. Then, dividing both sides by 7, so, cancel yung 7. And then, we have there y is equal to 21. Divide 7 is 3. So, we have 3 as the value of y. And then, solve naman natin yung value ng x. So, kuhanin natin yung equation 1. So, from equation 1, we have there 2x plus y is equal to 5. Okay? So, yun yung equation 1 natin, And then, we have there 2x plus, okay, ang y natin is 3. You have there 3 equal 5. Then, solve for x. So, you have there 2x. So, we have 5 here. By transposition method, positive 3. So, magiging negative 3. And then, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So, you have there 2x. So, dividing both sides by 2, cancelled. So, we have there x is equal to 1. So, we now have the solution 1, 3. So, we have now this answer. Okay, another way is by, okay, substitution. So, ito yung given kanina. Okay, 2x plus 5y and x minus 3y is equal to negative 8. So, solve natin siya, okay, using, okay, substitution. So, ang gagawin muna natin, so say for example, we have there equation 1. Okay, so from equation 1, so you have there 2x plus y is equal to 5. So, we will solve for, okay, we will express y in terms of x. So, matitira yung y dito. So, you have there equal to, okay, by transposition method, you have there 2x, magiging negative 2x. So, ang 5 dito is positive. So, we have there positive 5. And then, from equation 2, okay, yung equation 2 natin is x minus 3y is equal to negative 8. So, isa-substitute natin yung value ng y dito sa second equation. Okay? So, we will copy x minus 3 times. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin nito, 3 times y. Negative 3 times y. So, ang y natin ay negative 2x. Yun yung isa-substitute natin sa y. So, negative 2x plus 5. Okay? May equal to negative 8. And then, okay, we will copy x. Okay? So, by distributive method, okay, distribution method, negative 3 times negative 2x is positive 6x. The negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. So, that is equal to negative 8. And then, you have the x plus 6x is 7x. equal negative 8. Okay? Ilipat ko po yung negative 15, magiging positive 15. So, you have there, negative 8 plus 15 is positive 7. So, we have here 7x. Dividing both sides by 7, so x is equal to 1. So, ang x natin ay 1. Okay, now, paano naman yung value ng y? Okay, so, pipili ka lang doon sa dalawang equation. Equation 1 or equation 2. So, halimbawa, kuhanin natin yung equation 1, which is, okay, 2x plus y is equal to 5. And then, ang nakuha natin na value ng x is 1. So, palitan natin yung x ng 1. So, you have there 2 times 1 plus y is equal to 5. And then, you have there 2 times 1 is 2. So, we have there plus y is equal to 5. So, y is equal to 5. And then, by transposition method, we have negative 2. Okay, you have there 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So, you have there y. So, ang nakuha po nating answer, x is 1, y is positive 3. Same answer nung kanina. Positive 1 and positive 3.